people say to me, Brain, how do you become the most profitable Discord and the profitable guy in the state of Michigan? And I say that's a very good question. It's because after a busy day of investing in life, I still am doing due diligence. I don't give up, and I constantly do reading and I look into things. Why? Is because that is the way God made me. And I want to give it to you guys a stock here that I believe that has misconceptions. So I like looking into one app in particular when I'm finding information here, and it's been beneficial for me in the past when it comes to finding really great due diligence and perspective. So Intel, right? This stock has grown a lot of interest over the last 2 to 3 weeks. You heard about the government trying to buy a stake in the company itself, and you see things like this. It says Intel, don't buy the Trump call. This was the article today. And it says that there's very mixed feelings on when a government enters a corporation, that the corporation ends up losing its innovation. They can't keep track and allocate a lot of the expenses and revenues that are within the company. They've misallocated a lot. That's been known. Wow, who'd have thought that government would have misallocated their funds? Who would have ever said that? But here's what I like into the stock. Here's why everybody should just stop being so negative and start thinking outside the box. So with this company here, I think this is a no stinking brainer. Why is this a no-brainer? Is because you look on here and they're buying incremental things, and I believe up to the neighborhood of about 500 million shares. So they're purchasing 500. This is all from what I've been reading, right? I can't find the article right now, but I'm just giving you a little bit of scrolling, and you can see what this buying this subscription offers. I want to give you more technical analysis and tell you one of my strategies that I use to find that. I'm a big Fibonacci guy, and I'm also a big EMA 20 guy. But with that said, sorry, not EMA 20, EMA 30. But I want to tell you, they bought this stock around $20.49. So this is a rough estimate. I'm going off what I read. I'm not just reading verbatim on articles and just reading to you guys. I'm going off my perspective after what I read. I'm telling you, if they bought it at $20.49 and the stock is currently rolling right around $25, that means that this is probably going to go, in my opinion, to upwards to about $40 to $50 to $60 a share. Government doesn't just take that high of a stake in a company if they don't plan to innovate it, give it government subsidies, give it loan, make it and fluff it up. Their market cap is $106 billion. I believe that's going to be probably $150 in no time. Anyways, that's my perspective after reading all I did today. I want to tell you, sub to the YouTube. It shows a lot of love. It keeps me going. And it just says, you know what, Brain? I respect the grind and hustle, and I'm going to take your word, and I'm going to keep holding this. Come to the Discord. It's $10.99. We have huge play callers on here besides myself. My rec speaks for itself. But the other play callers, they professionally do it. And they if you professionally day trade for a living, right? And you're in your 50s, I have a couple people like that on here that actually alert plays on top of the 3 other people. That means that if they don't win their money and make money on their calls, they don't have a good living that week. They rely on making good calls and winning in the stock market. It's $10.99. It's the cheapest Discord. We have a news bot, and we have news that's on the public chat. I also offer training. It's $10.99. If you're interested in getting better in the stock market, you're interested in coming to a cheap community, come on over and join the club, and you'll see that this is, if you don't like your money back, if you don't like it, you get your money back, guaranteed, no questions asked. There you go. There's your $10 back, and yeah, see ya.